I'm here with the owner, Will. This is his 2002 IS300 Sportcross, and it has obviously already been turbocharged, and we're here for an update video. Oh yeah. So a lot of the viewers kind of wanted an update. The only thing they saw last time was us throwing the kit together. If I remember correctly, I think it was just open downpipe and
partially downpipe.
Partially downpipe.
Like that much.
So what did you have to do so far? You got the exhaust finished, right?
Yep, full 3-inch. You kind of used the downpipe that we mutilated, but we really just used the flange, and that's about it. Got a whole bunch of bulk pipe, some 90s, some 180s, and pie cut, and just made everything work. Nice.
So it's going out the back of the car?
Yep. I've got it in 3 sections. One is the downpipe, and then the second is just the straight through the middle, and then the third section is the muffler.
Nice.
So anything can be taken out if necessary.
How's it been running? Did you have to change the tune?
Yes. It was about almost 150, 175 miles of tuning.
Oh wow.
Live tuning. So that was
street tuning.
Yeah, that was
by yourself.
I had a buddy with me.
Okay, so somebody else was helping you at least.
Yeah, he did. He tunes cars from California, so
nice.
He's pretty good. Never worked with Gretty E-Manage Ultimate, so it was kind of a learning curve for everybody.
And that's the tuning you're using?
Yep. The wideband is not actually connected to the ECU, so we had to
get to manually adjust everything.
Yep, had to do a pull while watching the wideband.
Right.
And data logging everything else.
Because newer systems will like incorporate the wideband?
Yeah. Okay. And I just had to get a harness pigtail for the to adapt it to the.
So it's possible with the E-Manage.
Yeah, so I've got all that. I just need to wire it up and.
Nice.
But yeah, everything's been rolling good.
So what did you have to fix as far as on the engine to get it to run smoother? Wasn't there some boost leaks just from when we threw the piping together?
Yes, we were missing one coupler.
Okay, that's right. We duct taped it just to get by.
Gorilla tape.
100-mile-an-hour
tape.
Yeah.
And definitely had some boost leaks from that, and so I got a new straight coupler and got that put in there.
Nice.
And then, really, that's about it. The only other thing I had was the oil feed line. The adapter at the turbo was leaking pretty severely.
That's right. We had to get by with that again.
Yeah.
So you got that squared away. Now that's right. It's a restrictor plate all built into one?
Yep, restrictor plate and adapter.
Nice.
Car coming behind you. Not a whole lot, actually. I don't think.
Change the oil or anything?
Yeah, I've changed the oil quite a few times since then.
Okay, just to be cautious, yeah.
I do it every 500 miles.
Do you have a breather box or like an oil catch can?
Nope, not yet.
Okay, so yeah, changing oil is crucial because the catch can will get all those like fuel blow by in the oil.
Yeah, it's pretty bad.
But if you change your oil a lot, no problem.
Yeah, after a couple hundred miles, you pull the dipstick and it smells like gas. So,
perks of working in a shop, you can change oil a lot.
Yep. So I got about 2,000 miles on the build.
Nice.
Already. So.
Well, start it up, man. Let's hear what this thing sounds like, and pop the hood. I want to see it. put in the new injectors.
Yeah, it was just a gaping vacuum leak.
So you blocked it off.
Yeah, pulled the line off there, capped it there.
Done.
And I had to take all the injectors back out and redo the O-rings.
Oh.
So vacuum leak free after that.
So yeah, that was so much fun installing that kit. We definitely had a bunch of problems, but we made it work.
Long time ago.
Shit, let's go for a drive. Man, it runs really smooth.
Yeah, very happy with it.
And you have an upgraded clutch too?
Yes.
And the lightweight aluminum flywheel?
Yep. Instead of a 33-pound dual mass flywheel, it is a 13-pound aluminum Fidenza single mass flywheel.
Nice. And then you swapped in a LSD rear diff as well?
Yep, factory LSD, and then I got the ACT. I can't remember what it is, but it's the highest rated sprung clutch you can get.
Nice. What is it rated to?
I think they do it by torque.
Torque, yeah.
And I think it's 490.
Okay, so yeah, so you got plenty to clamp.
And as you can tell, I'm hard on my brakes because these
Race pads.
Yeah.
That's just what, 7 pounds?
Yeah. And we don't always make 7 pounds.
Oh
The
gosh.
turbo is too damn big.
Yeah, it's snoring, but we can turn it up a little bit.
Well, and also just going directly off spring pressure is not always the most accurate.
Right.
You know, heat cycles of a spring changes everything, and then
That's true.
you know, every time it becomes a little weaker or it forms in a different way after it cools off. So really need to get a reduced pressure regulator or wastegate
Yeah,
regulator so I can really go at it.
that'd be dope. We're about to get a drink at the gas station. Let it go. Give me a little rev. One more time. Damn. Woo! Woo! What a ride. Well, thanks for tuning in, and thanks, Will, for sharing the update.
Hell yeah.
We will maybe do this again soon. If you guys like it, let me know.